blaming your camera for bad videos. The problem could be bad lighting. Let me explain. Cameras, whether a smartphone camera or a professional camera, all have one thing in common. They capture the light in front of them. Just light. That means if your subject is well lit up, the camera will capture more details and give you the crisp, clear videos you want. As a self-taught video creator, I struggled with bad videos for a very long time. I used to say I need a very good smartphone to record high quality, crisp, clear videos. But I learned this one secret, that with sufficient light, even my current smartphone can record crisp, clear videos that people love to watch. In this video, let me show you my budget-friendly light setup that I use to shoot clean, crisp, clear videos for my clients' businesses and even my own videos, just like this one. My light setup requires only 3 lights, and everything I'm going to mention in this video is available for purchase at our store with massive discounts for this Christmas season.